welcome back to the RV Rundown. I'm your host Barry, and this is the segment where we take a quick look at some of the hottest floor plans on the market today. I'm standing inside the 2021 CrossRoads Sunset Trail Super Lite SS330SI. This is a triple slide travel trailer. It's rear living with a nice big kitchen and dining area. It's got a huge pantry and a great bedroom with an east-west bed. We're going to check this thing out. I'm going to actually start us right here up at the front near the entrance because they've done something that I think is really cool here. They put the pantry in behind this notched area, but it really opens it up as soon as you come through the door. Gives us a place to hang up coats, store some shoes. I really would have liked to have seen a little bench right here, but hey, we've got access to our converter box down there. That could be something you easily bought and placed just so you could sort of sit down and tie your shoes once you come up into the camper. Right here at the entrance though, we have our control panel, all individual switches, and we have all our tank checks right there in one place. Turning into the main body of the camper, these opposing slides really open up to give us this nice big kitchen with a center island. A nice thing that they've done here that I really like is they've given us a pantry. And this pantry serves double duty. Let me undo this latch so I can open it all the way up. And when I say it serves double duty, what I mean is that it has washer dryer hookups inside. They've also given us a few plugs, so you could use that as an appliance closet if you needed to. They give you that little latch there just to make sure that that stays closed. Behind me, got a 12-volt electric refrigerator from Norcold. This is a nice big fridge. Notice that all of our surfaces are solid, so solid surface countertops here. Nothing's porous, nothing's going to leak through those. We have sink covers that reveal a large single basin stainless steel sink with a nice high faucet with a little bit of maneuverability to that sink head there. Helps with washing pots and pans. And then over here we have our 3-burner stove top. This is typically what we see in a travel trailer, nothing different there. Glass top extends our counter space, lifts and flips back to reveal those 3 burners. Microwave up above, plenty of storage all around it in the form of cabinet and drawers. All the lighting in here is LED. It really is well spaced, so it lights it up quite nicely. Our entertainment center. Now this one we didn't option in with a TV. Most people like to put their own TV in there. They prefer to put a smart TV brand of their choice. It has a little bit of storage space up above as well as a small head unit with Bluetooth capabilities. And down below, we've got a fireplace. That fireplace is a really fancy electric heater. It's going to aid in helping you save on LP furnace cost in the cold times. So this couch that's behind me right here, this is a tri-fold. It's going to fold out into almost a king bed. I think that's pretty slick in and of itself because it does enable you to have some guests. Now as far as entertainment purposes, Mom and Pa get to sit in these nice big recliners across from the TV. They've got cup holders and a little bit of storage in there as well. Now this is not equipped with the booth dinette. We've got a freestanding dinette, which some folks really love just because you feel like you're sitting at a real kitchen table when you're at that. Pushing forward, let's head up. We're going to go down the main hallway, and as we do, we're going to go right past our bathroom. Now this bathroom is pretty slick. It's got a glass enclosure shower, a nice big medicine cabinet there, as well as a foot flush toilet. Now that bathroom's cool in the sense that it is a pass-through bathroom, which means it brings us right into the master bedroom. As I was stating earlier, this master bedroom is an east-west bed, which means that bed is on a slide. It goes out. In this instance, it's a king bed. That's huge in a travel trailer like this. I really like that. Lots of people love those king beds. Nestled into the front cap behind these mirrors, we've got a big old closet with a hanging rod and a shelf up above. Now, last but not least, up under the bed, we have a little bit of storage. It's strut assisted. Nice big box there to access. And at the foot of the bed, we've got More storage in the form of a chest of drawers, and if you did want to hook up a TV in here, you've got that option. We've got all of our points up above on the ceiling and an LCD TV mounting bracket location on the wall next to the window. There's plenty of windows in this unit. It lets lots of light in, giving it that beautiful, open, airy feeling that we see here now. You guys, if you want to see this unit in person, be sure to check it out here at Southern RV in McDonough, Georgia, or visit us online at southernrvnext.com. Until next time, happy camping.